Before I take the proceedings forward, I'd like to really introduce my elder brother, my mentor, and somebody who I have gone to a few times in life for help, for advice. But this was when my own daughter really said that, okay, she's writing a book on this chapter. I didn't know who to run to. And, the only name that came to me was Ashok Pandit, my elder brother. We met at his club and we just took it across to him. So I'd like to call on here Ashok ji to please come and say a few words.
Well, it's a great moment for all of us. It's not only a great moment for the Kashmiri Pandits community, but I think internationally, nationally, all those victims of terrorism who have suffered the worst possible genocide and ethnic cleansing. What is now this tragedy and this human rights violation is known world over, and everybody is aware of this tragedy. बहुत जो इंटरेस्टिंग बात इसकी है ये पूरे इवेंट की आज वो है कि जैसे दीपक ने कहा कि जब ये बच्ची अनुष्का एक 16 साल की एक बच्ची है, जब ये दीपक के साथ आई अपनी मदर के साथ भी, एंड शी सेड दैट वेल आई वांट टू राइट अ बुक ऑन द एक्सोडस एंड जेनोसाइड ऑफ कश्मीरी हिंदूज. बात जो है वो इतनी सिंपल नहीं है. बात इसलिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि एक बच्चा जो कश्मीर में पैदा नहीं हुआ, वहाँ बड़ा नहीं, वहाँ पाला नहीं गया, वहाँ पोसा नहीं गया, एंड जिसने ये पूरी ट्रेजेडी को कभी देखा भी नहीं और एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं किया, जब कोई इस चीज़ के थ्रू जाता है, वो जब लिखता है तो ये जायज़ है कि भैया आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं. तो मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट मोमेंट था ये कि a child who wanted to write a book. And let me tell you, this is the first of its kind in the entire community of ours, nationally and internationally, that a girl of this age, who's 16 now, has written a book. So it's a great movement. In fact, that has given us a confidence. When I spoke to people in the camps in Jammu recently, when I was in touch with Anushka, they were all very excited. And she today has destroyed the argument which is being leveled upon us, saying that Kashmiri Hindus, the next generation, they are not interested in Kashmir, they don't want to go back to Kashmir. So this book, Take Me Home, has given a message to all those people who tell us that, well, you are settled now outside, you don't have to go to Kashmir, you're not interested in Kashmir. So that's why this book is very important to all of us, not only Kashmiri Hindus, but all those people who are sufferers, who are the victims of this genocide. This is a signal to everyone, to the authorities, to the governments, to the politicians, to the entire world, that yes, Kashmir belongs to us also, and we want to go back to Kashmir. That is our home, that's our roots, and we are going to clinch upon our roots and return back. That's why today's event, ये आज का जो event है, जो किताब लिख रही है, ये किताब बहुत बड़ी हिस्ट्री क्रिएट करेगी. ये बहुत बड़ी हिस्टोरिकल बुक रही है. एक ऐसे कुछ 10-15 पेज 50 पेज लिखने वाली किताब नहीं है. ये किताब एक सिग्नल दे रही है पूरे इंसानियत को, पूरे कम्युनिटी को, पूरे देश को, विदेश को, कि वेल हियर दिस इज अ जनरेशन who is not brought up in Kashmir, who was not born in Kashmir, who was not nursed in Kashmir, has decided to go back. So this child represents not only her age, all those people who are all over the world and who belong to this place. So my compliments and my congratulations to this young little girl. In fact, she has encouraged us. हम थोड़ा बहुत थक गए थे कि पता नहीं क्या होगा आगे चल के, लेकिन इसकी किताब ने, इसकी कलम ने हमें वो कॉन्फिडेंस दिया है कि हम जिस चीज़ के लिए लड़ रहे हैं, हम जिस चीज़ की मांग कर रहे हैं, वो बाकायदा कहीं ना कहीं साबित होगी और होगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच दीपक. नाउ आई विल इनवाइट अनुष्का एंड खेर साहब, प्लीज़
There are a few people I'd like to thank really quickly who have been instrumental in the genesis of this book. Mrs. Renukal Verma, my publisher, Mrs. Manjula Lal, my editor, Mr. Manish Khatri, who designed the cover of my book, and above all, Mr. Ashok Pandit, who has mentored me and supported me since the early days, and of course, Mr. Anupam Kher, who helped develop the vision of this book and gave me my foreword. So thank you so much. It means a lot. When I was younger, it was soul-crushing for me to hear other people talk about their home and their culture and the trips they took to their home. And when I say soul-crushing, I'm not exaggerating. Because as they would share and as they would brag, I would just sit there in silence. I didn't know anything about my Kashmiri Pandit roots, and I didn't know anything about Kashmir because Kashmir was a very sensitive topic in my house. And for the longest time, I didn't understand why. Let's not make the mistake of thinking that the Kashmir Pandit story is over, because it isn't, because we still yearn for our home. So as the book says, it's time we go back home. Thank you.
I think Ashok ji and you have beautifully articulated what this event is all about today. Ashok ji being the person who has gone through it, and you being the person who has been told about the stories. And I being the person of trying to bring the attention of the media, of the people all over the world to this wonderful, courageous step that you've taken.
Thank you.
You could have written a book about anything else. A young girl talking about what happened in Kashmir in 19 January 1990. I'm proud to be part of this book. As long as there is a person like you who will question, and with you are the millions of younger generation who you will inspire. Congratulations to your grandparents and congratulations to your parents for a brave daughter they have brought into this world. My mother still tells me, do you think we will be able to go to Kashmir? But you and people like you and the girls like you and the generation like you are giving me an optimistic look towards the whole thing. Thank you so much. Well done.
Thank you.
Congratulations. It's an honor for me to be talking to you. When did the idea of writing this book describe to me, how did it happen?
The opportunity then finally came up for a school project. So there's something called the personal project that we do in the MYP that I was curious about, and that was personal to me, was the Kashmiri Pandit exodus and the roots, because I was very passionate about it. So I knew that I would devote my 100% to it. But I was sitting and having a conversation with my father about potential ideas for my personal project. And I said, what if I do something related to the Kashmiri Pandit exodus? And his expression just changed. So I said, and then he's like, what do you want to do about it? Like, why are you doing this? Because I don't think it ever struck him that this was something you could do something about.
जब हम कश्मीर के बारे में सुनते हैं या कश्मीरी पंडित के बारे में सोचते हैं तो हमारी रूह कांप जाती है, हम एक डर से जाते हैं, सहम से जाते हैं, हमने कभी देखा नहीं है ये सब सामने से. लेकिन जब आप लिख रही थी तो क्या एक्सपीरियंस था आपका, क्या कुछ आप फील कर रही थी?
Especially during the research process, जब मैं देख रही थी, जब मैं when I was reading, when I was watching videos, when I was speaking to victims of the survivors of the exodus, that time I was just in a state of shock. I think, and that was to an extent where I couldn't feel any emotions. I was just like, did this really happen?
Congratulations अनुष्का,
Thank you.
बेहतरीन बुक के लिए. कश्मीर की जब बात होती है, आप प्रमुख चेहरे बनते हैं. अशोक साहब, आप भी प्रमुख चेहरे बनते हैं. सर, धारा 370-35A के बाद अब हम देख रहे हैं हालात सुधर रहे हैं. और अब देखिए सर, अगर गवर्नमेंट की अगर सर्वे के हिसाब से बात की जाए तो 60,000 से ज़्यादा कश्मीरी पंडित हैं, लेकिन बचे कितने हैं? केवल 4-4,500. विल पीपल गो बैक टू द वैली? वो अपने जगह जाएंगे? जिस तरह आप जिक्र कर रहे थे, आप अपनी माता जी को भी लेकर जाना चाहेंगे सर. सर, उम्मीद की किरण जग रही है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर?
ये अनुष्का की जो किताब है ना
जी,
ये किताब ही तुम्हारे सवाल का जवाब है. इस उम्र की बच्ची इस किताब के द्वारा तुम्हारे एग्जोडस और तुम्हारे जेनोसाइड का बखान करती है और पूरा हिस्ट्री तुम्हारे सामने लेके आती है. इसकी जो भूख है, इसकी जो प्यास है, इसके अंदर जो दर्द दुख है, वापस लौटने का ही है. सिंपल सी लाइन, टेक मी होम, अब मुझे घर आना ही आना है वापस, तो इज एज सिंपल एज दैट।